Hello, Michael again, here to do another WordPress training video. And in this case, what we're going to talk about is linking to content that you have in your media library. Now, we have another video where I show you how to embed content from your media library. These are generally going to be pictures, videos. I used a picture in that particular example. That's an image that I actually want to show up in the post itself. I want to embed it into the post. In this case, what I want to do is I've got something in the media library that I would like to link to. In other words, I would like the users to be able to click on a link and open up something that is in the media library. Now, in most cases, this is not going to be images or videos. What this is going to be is things like PDFs, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, that sort of thing. Things that you can't actually put into a web page directly through WordPress, but things you can put into your media library and then point people to, let them click on them, let them download and let them read it. Probably the most specific example of this is if you are creating a policies page for your library, which we do recommend you do, and all of your policies already exist in, say, a PDF format. It's not necessary to create separate pages for each one of those if those policies already exist. What you can do is you can create a list of links to those particular PDF files. So you would upload those PDFs into the media library. I refer you to that training video, and then use this video to show you how to link to them. So I'm doing this in a post. These instructions also work for pages. I have already created some content here. Now, don't worry about the exact content. I'm just using this as an example. This is not really a post or a document you would probably ever link to in your library's site, but something I could just use an example here. So what I'm doing is I'm talking about a particular document that I'm making available. In your case, maybe a policy. In my case, it's an article from a bunch of tech guys at Microsoft from a few years ago. So I need to decide what it is I want them to be able to click on, and I'm going to have them go ahead and click on the title of this page here. And then normally what would happen, okay, and this is probably what you would think would happen, is you would click on a link, and then what you might do is open up this thing that says link to existing content. And this makes sense. Unfortunately, this isn't where it's going to work, because this existing content are either going to be blog posts or pages in your site. We want to actually link to something in the media library. So I'm going to go ahead and close up this. And so this becomes kind of a two-step process here. The first thing we do is we're going to do something with the media library, and we can image, video, or audio. This is neither of those. So we're going to use this Add Media button. This is going to get us into our media library. And as you've probably seen in some of the other videos, we can now upload from our computer. We can get things from a URL, or we can look at things that are already in our media library. So I'm going to go ahead and select Media Library. And what this is going to do is it's going to show the two images and that PDF that I have uploaded already. Now, the next stage here is we need to show the details for this item. So Darknet 5 is what I want to link to. I'm going to go ahead and click Show, and it's going to give me this information very similar to the information that was available in your when we uploaded photos or other things, the images in that video. So actually, as you can see here, I have not set a really good title on this. I probably should go back and do that. And in fact, what I'm going to do real quick here, just to show you how you can fix something on the fly, is I'm going to copy this, go back into here, and into my media library, and show the details, and I'm going to quick change the title while we're here. Okay. Now, here's what we need. We need this right here, this link URL. This is the URL of the file on the server. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy that. I am not actually going to insert this into the post. Okay? I don't want to do that. I've just copied that URL. I'm going to close this up. Now I'm going to click on Insert Hyperlink, and I'm going to paste that information right in here. Okay? Click Add Link, and update my post. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and view that post just to see how that works. Okay. There is our link. So we hover over it. If you look down here at the bottom in the status bar, you'll see that I am linking to a PDF file. And if I click on that, that PDF file will open for our users. So just going to review here real quick. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight what I want to link on, or highlight what I want linked. Excuse me. I'm going to go into the media library. I'm going to find the item that I'm looking for. I'm going to show its details. I'm going to go ahead and copy its link URL, close this window. I'm then going to insert a link, and I'm going to paste in that link URL for that particular item. So this process will work for PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoints, Excel spreadsheets, pretty much anything that isn't audio or video that you might want to link to, but those are probably the 4 most common items that you possibly link to. So that's how you link to an item in your media library. If you have any questions or comments, just go ahead and leave them as a comment on this blog post, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.